Welcome. This video will cover how to access DirectScale's public API documentation portal. The DirectScale platform uses APIs to communicate with each part of its platform. These allow for deeper customizations, giving you the power to configure your platform. As a warning, configuring APIs is an advanced feature. Only users with development experience should attempt modifications. The API site helps you to understand how the APIs function, the requirements that must be fulfilled to use them, and test them so they can be used properly in the DirectScale platform. To access the API portal, navigate to developer.directscale.com. As a guest, you are able to see the API documentation by clicking the API tab. The APIs are organized by the different services within the platform. Each API document provides information on its functionality and the requirements to properly use it. To fully access features like Try It and your API subscription keys used in testing, you'll need to receive authorization from customer care. Contact customer care by clicking the Help button in the bottom right corner of the Help Center page or Admin Sites. Once you're authorized, when using the Try It feature, the key field will be autofilled. This key is added as a header element in the code and will direct requests to your specific API data and authorize the request. You now know how to access DirectScale's public API documentation portal, helping you understand how the APIs function, the requirements that must be fulfilled to use them, and how to test them so they can be used properly in the DirectScale platform. For more in-depth videos, tutorials, and how-to guides, visit the Help Center at help.directscale.com. And thanks for watching.